In this video, we'll show you how to get paid by QR code with Wise Business. In your Wise Business homepage, click Payments in the left-hand menu. Select QR codes. Click Get QR Code. The company logo used for your Wise Business account will automatically be added to the middle of the QR code. To change this, click the circle with the two lines in the top right corner of your screen and select Business Logo. You can upload a file with your company logo here. This will change the logo used for your Wise Business account going forward. Next, toggle the Add an Amount switch. Choose a balance, then choose a currency. Add an amount, then type in a description of your product or service. Now click Download QR Code. Once your QR code is finished downloading, it'll be ready to share with your customers. Your QR code can also be accessed on your phone and tablet, so your customers can scan and pay you on the go. And that's how to get paid by QR code with Wise Business. Thanks for watching.